Have you ever heard of photocatalysts? These mysterious substances can cause dirt and grime to detach from a treated surface with sunlight and rainwater alone. Let's take a closer look at the secret of photocatalysis. Photocatalysts can purify an environment by generating strong surface oxidizing power when exposed to sunlight or fluorescent light. This oxidizing reaction causes harmful substances, such as accumulated organic compounds and bacteria, to detach easily from treated surfaces. In 1972, Japanese scientists researching energy generation technologies discovered that when titanium dioxide powder is mixed with water and exposed to light, the water splits into oxygen and hydrogen. This is the origin of photocatalysis. More attention and research were focused on the oxidative decomposition effect of photocatalysts on organic matter, and in 1994, thanks to their safe and stable photocatalytic action, titanium dioxide coating agents were commercialized in Japan. Let's take a look at the chemical action of photocatalysts. Dirt decomposition. When ultraviolet rays strike titanium dioxide, a photocatalyst, electrons are ejected from its surface. The ejected electrons combine with oxygen to form superoxide anions. The holes on the treated surface through which electrons are ejected have a positive charge and strip electrons from water in the air. H2O molecules deprived of electrons become hydroxyl radicals, which are in a very unstable state. Superoxide anions and hydroxyl radicals strongly oxidize and decompose dirt and odor-causing substances, as well as bacteria. The adhesive bonds holding oxidized and decomposed substances to the coating layer are weakened. Superhydrophilia. When titanium dioxide is exposed to light, it reacts with H2O in the air to form a film of highly hydrophilic hydroxy group on the coating surface. These hydrophilic groups are easily absorbed by water, including rain. Water makes its way under the dirt and lifts it up, powerfully washing it away. Antiviral, antibacterial properties. When ultraviolet rays strike the photocatalyst, the free radicals that are generated decompose viruses and bacteria that adhere to the surface. Air purification. Furthermore, the decomposing power of the photocatalyst detoxifies exhaust gases and other harmful substances in the air. Let's compare cleaning effectiveness for a surface with a photocatalytic coating versus ordinary wall material. Dirt is difficult to remove from conventional wall material. But when a photocatalytic coating is present, cleaning is much easier. More and more photocatalysts are being used to coat buildings around the world, from the glass pyramid at the Louvre Museum to the AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas.